Our guest in the C-Suite sit-down this morning actually just did that last year in Florida and South Carolina. Is expanding the business into New York in this area. Russ Buchmueller, CEO of Pure, right? It's the name of the company? Pure.
Yes.
I like that name. That's a good name for a company. All right. So you guys basically go after wealthy clients in the insurance business, which is interesting. So you go down to Florida. You got a lot of people obviously live right along the water, have huge houses, and have difficulty getting insurance, right, because of the hurricanes. Was that your angle?
This is true. I think the basis is that the wealthy client tends to be very responsible, has proven to be a very profitable insured. And after the 2004-2005 hurricane season, evidence was growing that large, well-built homes were holding up to hurricanes. And so we created this company with that in mind.
So it's worked out well, right? Because those homes, people that maybe not have homes that are built as well as that, were the rates similar to people that you were targeting? Is that why they said, well, let me go with this guy because he's offering me a lower rate, I shouldn't have to pay because my home wouldn't get destroyed, for example, if a hurricane?
Yeah, it's all about a subsidy. So you have the homes that are larger and better built shouldn't be paying to offset the homes that don't have the same mitigation against windstorm. And so our premiums would be lower.
What's the market going to look like that you see an advantage to expanding here in the area we're in New York and in the metropolitan area? Why come to New York?
Well, I think that from our perspective, first of all, it provides good diversification since we're not subject to the same events that Florida might be.
Right, not as many hurricanes, of course. Kind of thing.
Correct. But the other thing is you have large established insurers who already have as much exposure as they want to take.
And I've also seen their businesses come along hard times, right? I mean, would you be able to take advantage of the trouble that an AIG had, for example?
Well, surely they're not as strong as they were a month ago or 2 months ago, so that's clearly an opportunity for us.
What prevents you from having similar trouble? I mean, your business model is completely different than AIG or any of these other insurance companies?
Yeah, I think that we have a couple of advantages. One is this green field. We get to select customers or members from scratch, and so we're not dealing with legacy decisions that were made over decades, and so we use the information we have now about selecting homes that are less vulnerable and put together a portfolio of preferred customers.
How is this market, how's this industry going to look over the next couple of years? I mean, you obviously are concerned about the health overall of the insurance industry. As we said, a number of the big players have come under some trouble here in the last few months. What's the industry going to look like next year or two down the line?
Well, it'll be interesting to see. I mean, going into this year, the industry was very healthy with surplus capital that was at almost record levels. So with Hurricane Ike and with some of the investment impairments, the industry is going to go through some tough times. But I think overall, the insurance industry is quite strong.
All right. Good luck with everything, Ross. Thank you very much for coming in. Ross Buchmueller, Pure is the name of the company. Thanks a lot for coming in. We appreciate it. I want to get on.